Two people want the same 1 crore rupees life insurance cover. They pick the same plan. One gets a quote of rupees 700 a month, the other gets rupees 1400 a month. Same cover, same plan, completely different premium. Why? The answer is underwriting. Your premium is not a fixed price. It is a personalized calculation based on the risk the insurer takes on when covering you. The higher the perceived risk, the higher the premium. There are 4 factors that drive this calculation. Understanding them tells you what you can and cannot control about your rate. A life insurance premium is the amount you pay regularly to keep your policy active. The insurer uses a set of inputs about you to calculate that number: age, health, the amount of cover you want, and the type of plan you choose. IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, regulates all life insurance products and the underwriting standards that govern how insurers set premium. Age is the single biggest driver of your premium. The younger you are when you buy, the lower your premium for the same cover and term. The insurer is taking on less risk when covering a 25-year-old than a 38-year-old. The probability of a claim is statistically lower for younger buyers. The practical impact is significant. A non-smoker buying rupees 1 crore of term cover at 25 will pay considerably less per month than the same person buying at 35. Every year you wait adds to your base premium. And for the most term and endowment plans, your premium is locked in for the policy term at the rate you buy at. It does not rise with the policy year as you get older. Think about what that means in practice. If you buy at 27 and lock in a low rate for a 30-year term, you are still paying that same low rate at 45, 50, even 55. But if you wait until 35 to buy, your starting rate is already higher and you are locked into the higher number for the entire term. The gap between those two decisions compounds over decades. This is one of the strongest reasons to buy early. After age, your health profile is next most significant factor. Insurers consider several things here: your medical history and current health. If you have a pre-existing conditions such as diabetes or hypertension, the insurer will apply a premium loading. Premium loading is an additional charge applied when you present a higher than average risk. Smoker versus non-smoker status. Smokers typically pay 30 to 50% higher premiums than non-smokers for the same cover and term. This is because smoking increases the statistical risk of early death and critical illness. Always declare your smoking status accurately. Non-disclosure can lead to claim rejection. Your BMI and occupation also factor in. A very high BMI signals a potential health risk. A high-risk occupation such as mining or aviation results in higher premium than a desk-based role. The sum assured is the amount of family receives if you pass away. Higher sum assured means a higher premium. A rupees 50 lakh covers cost less than a rupees 1 crore cover from the same insurer for the same person. The insurer takes on a large financial obligation, so the premium reflects that. The policy term works similarly. A longer term means more years of coverage and more years during which a claim could be made. A 40-year term costs more than a 20-year term for the same cover. But there is an important trade-off here. A longer term also locks in your current premium rate for more years. If you are 28 and you lock in at 35-year term, you are paying the same rate at 50 that you secured at 28. That can represent significant savings over the full life of the policy. The type of plan you choose significantly affects the premium structure. The term plan gives pure life cover. The premium is the lowest of all plan types because the entire premium goes towards the cost of your cover with no savings or investment component. An endowment plan combines life cover with savings. The premium is significantly higher than a term plan for the same cover because part of what you pay builds your savings. A ULIP combines life cover with market-linked investment. The premium structure also includes charges for fund management and premium allocation on top of the base cover cost. Riders are optional add-ons. Common ones include critical illness cover, accidental death benefit, and waiver of premium on disability. Each rider adds a separate chart based on your age, the rider type, and the cover amount. Evaluate each based on your own health history and financial obligations before adding. A premium calculator gives you a personalized quote in a few minutes. You put in a few details about yourself, and it shows you exactly what your cover will cost. The most useful thing you can do with a calculator is not just get a number. It is to change one input at a time and watch what happens. Adjust your cover amount and see how the premium moves. Shift your policy terms by 5 years and compare, and a rider and see what it costs separately. This is the fastest way to understand which factor is driving your specific rate and what you can do about it. ABSLI's premium calculator is at the link in the description. Enter your details for a personalized quote. Before I wrap up, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about life insurance premium calculation. Does smoking affect life insurance premium in India? Yes, significantly. Smokers typically pay 50 to 100% higher premiums than non-smokers for the same cover and term. Smoking increases the statistical risk of early death and critical illness. Always declare your smoking status accurately, as non-disclosure can result in claim rejection. What is premium loading in life insurance? Premium loading is an additional charge applied when the buyer presents a higher than average risk due to a pre-existing health condition, hazardous occupation, or high BMI. The loaded premium is higher than the standard rate for the same cover. Is there a difference between online and offline life insurance premiums? Online plans and offline plans from the same insurer offer identical covers and policy terms. The difference is in how you buy. Online gives you the flexibility to compare and complete the process at your own pace. Offline, through an agent, gives you guided advice, help with the application, and someone your nominee can call if they ever need support. Both are valid. The right channel depends on how much guidance you want through the process. Your premium is not a fixed price. It is a number you can influence. The earlier you buy, the more you control it. Hit like, subscribe, and run your own calculation using the link in the description.